Hi guys, Jack here from the Dwellers Co. doing another video. And this is my buddy Rio again, doing a video again about Rio. Where'd he go? I can't see him on the camera, I gotta turn the light on. Keep it on Rio. What's that? Turn on the light. There you go. Here's my budgie brother. Yeah, say hi, Rio. Say hi, Rio. Say hi, Rio. Look how small he is. It's like that big. It's tiny. He's like a baby, he can't talk English. Well, there's 2 or 3, I don't know. Makes budgie noises. Yeah, he's a little genius though. We tied this to the top of his cage. Do you know what he's done? He somehow managed to tie it to that. I don't even see how that's possible, but look, that's not coming off unless you yank it. Look at that. But yeah, where are you, Rio? Super Rio. Rio. Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. Smile for the camera. Yeah. See, he's smiling. Can't see it, but he's smiling. Looks really old close up. His hair's a bit fuzzy, but he's not. I hope not. He is not going anywhere soon. Oh, brother. What you say? He's got lots of toys. He's a bored little budgie. Come here. Come here, Rio. Come here, boy. Don't look at the camera. Look over here. Look over here. Look over here. Oh no, that's an earthquake. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Don't worry, Rio. You're like, what? No. Balancing. That's amazing balancing skills. Yeah. He's not gonna do anything anytime soon. Look! Rio, I'll flip the camera. See what he says. Oh, I can't flip it that way. Rio! Look at you! Look at you! He's interested now, isn't he? Rio, look at you! It's you, Rio! Look at the camera, it's you! I hope that's pointing at Rio, I don't know. The camera's flipped. Oh, it's focused. Is it focused? I do not know. Look at you, see, he's coming over now. Like, what is this? What is this sorcery? What is this sorcery? What is this sorcery? What is it, Rio? What's the sorcery? Don't worry, it's not gonna hurt you. What is this sorcery? What is this sorcery called the Panasonic? No. The sorcery of the Panasonic HT with the flip camera. Yes. Yes. Sorcery. La 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 la. Sorcery. But anyway, I got sidetracked. Oh god, how has he done that to the bell? Jesus. No, but yeah. This is really what I wanted to video about. Just how? How, Rio? Oh. Rio. Smile for the outro. Smile for the outro.